Who left this rice sack here? How can it be completely full?
Maybe someone wanted to help us.
Impossible. The rice came back.
Elias, make sure you share this rice with others before sunset. Never reveal its secret to anyone, and as long as you keep that promise, you will never run out of rice.
Who are you?
Elias has saved so many families.
Something isn't right.
Stop giving it away. Sell the rice and become rich. Maybe you're right.
Now that you've seen what's possible, let me show you exactly how I created this entire 2D animated movie using AI characters, animating every scene, and putting everything together. Don't worry if you're a beginner. I'll walk you through every step, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to create your own animated stories from scratch. Let's get started.
The first thing you'll need is the master prompt that I've already prepared for you. To make things easier, I'll leave all the prompts I used in the description below so you can simply copy and follow along. Go ahead and copy the first prompt, then open ChatGPT and paste it into the chat. This prompt tells ChatGPT to generate 20 original, copyright-free animated moral story ideas for YouTube. Of course, you don't have to stick with 20. If you want 10, simply change the number. If you want 50 or even 100 story ideas, just edit that number before generating. You'll also notice a section asking for a specific story idea. If you already have a story in mind, simply type it there. But if you're like me and want ChatGPT to surprise you with fresh ideas, just leave that section exactly as it is. The prompt also asks ChatGPT to generate a unique and catchy title, a short 2 to 3 line summary, a completely original and copyright-free story, family-friendly content suitable for animation, and a balanced mix of different story categories. For example, 40% village life stories, 25% kids moral stories, 20% animal stories, 10% family emotional stories, and 5% magical moral stories. This gives you a nice variety instead of generating the same type of story over and over again. Once everything looks good, simply click Generate. Within seconds, ChatGPT creates 20 completely original story ideas that are perfect for animated YouTube videos. Each story includes a title, a short summary, and a meaningful moral lesson. Take your time and read through them carefully. For example, here's one of my favorites, The Empty Grain Sack. It's a village life story about a poor farmer who discovers a magical sack that fills with rice every morning, but only if he shares it with hungry neighbors. As greed slowly takes over, he decides to keep everything for himself. Then one day, the magic disappears, and the story ends with a powerful lesson. Kindness grows blessings, while greed destroys them. You'll also notice that ChatGPT automatically organizes the stories into different categories. The first few are village life stories. The next group focuses on kids' moral stories. Then you'll find animal stories, family emotional stories, and finally, magical moral stories. This makes it easy to choose the type of content you want to create. Maybe you love animal cartoons. Maybe your audience enjoys emotional family stories, or perhaps you want educational cartoons for children. Everything is already organized for you. Now, here's something I really like. If none of these story ideas catches your attention, you don't have to rewrite the prompt. Simply type more. That's it. ChatGPT will instantly generate another fresh batch of original story ideas. Still not satisfied? Type more again. You can keep generating new ideas until you find one that perfectly matches your vision. The best part is that you'll never run out of content ideas for your YouTube channel. Once you've found the story you want to use, we're ready for the next step. Now we're going to transform that simple idea into a complete animated story with detailed scenes, dialogue, and consistent characters. Now that we've chosen our story, it's time to turn that simple idea into a complete animated script. Go back and copy the second prompt. Once you've copied it, head back to ChatGPT and paste it into the same conversation. This part is very important. Make sure you use the same chat where you generated your story ideas. ChatGPT already remembers the story you've selected, so keeping everything in one conversation helps it create a much more accurate and consistent script. At the top of the prompt, you'll see a place where it asks you to add your story title. Simply copy the title of the story you selected and paste it there. Now click Generate. Within a few seconds, ChatGPT transforms that simple story idea into a complete animated script that's ready for production. Instead of giving you just a few paragraphs, it breaks the story down into individual scenes. Every scene flows naturally into the next, making it much easier to animate later. The next thing we'll do is generate our video prompts. Simply copy the third prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, and click Generate. Within a few seconds, ChatGPT creates detailed video prompts for every scene in our story. It also gives us a complete breakdown of each character, including their appearance, personality, and natural dialogue for every scene. This is really helpful because it makes the animation process much easier and keeps the story consistent from beginning to end. Now that our video prompts are ready, the next step is to generate our character images. Remember, we always generate the video prompts first and the image prompts second. So now, go ahead and copy the fourth prompt, paste it into ChatGPT. This prompt tells ChatGPT to generate detailed image prompts for every character in the story. It creates everything we need, including the character's appearance, clothing, hairstyle, facial features, body type, and personality. It also generates multiple viewing angles, including the front view, left profile, right profile, three-quarter view, and back view. These multiple angles are extremely important because they help maintain character consistency throughout the entire movie. Once everything is ready, click Generate and give ChatGPT a few seconds to finish. And just like that, all of our character image prompts are ready. By the way, I'll leave every prompt I'm using in the video description below, so you don't have to type anything yourself. You can simply copy, paste, and follow along. This is exactly what we need before moving on to image generation. Now that our story and characters are ready, it's time to create consistent character images. This prompt creates detailed image prompts for every character in the story, giving us everything we need to generate consistent characters in Google Flow. Another thing I really like is that ChatGPT introduces every character in detail. For example, in my story, it generated 4 main characters. The first character is Elias, our main character. ChatGPT gives a complete description of Elias, including his appearance, personality, clothing, and role in the story. Next, we have Miriam, Elias's wife. Then we have Lena, their daughter. And finally, Victor, another important character who plays a major role in the story. Every character comes with a detailed description that helps us keep everything consistent throughout the animation. Copy the first image prompt. Now comes one of my favorite parts of the entire workflow. We're finally going to bring these characters to life. Head over to Google Flow. If you don't already have Google Flow installed, simply open your browser, search for Google Flow, and sign in with your Google account. Once you're inside, click New Project. This opens your project workspace. Next, click on Character. A new window will appear. From here, change the model to Nano Banana 2. This model does an excellent job of generating clean, high-quality 2D cartoon characters with consistent designs. Paste the prompt into the text box and click Generate. Then wait a few moments while Nano Banana 2 creates your character. And there we have it. Our first character is ready. Take a look at the results. You'll notice that Google Flow doesn't just create a single image. It generates a complete character sheet with multiple viewing angles, making it much easier to maintain consistency throughout the entire animation. You'll also see details like the character's standing pose, facial expression, hairstyle, clothing, body type, and facial features. Everything has already been prepared for us. Now there's one small step that many beginners skip, but it's actually very important. At the top of the character sheet, you'll see a place where you can rename the character. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the character's name, return to Google Flow, and paste it here. This helps Google Flow recognize the correct character later, when we start creating our videos. Trust me, naming your characters now will save you a lot of confusion later. Once you've finished the first character, repeat exactly the same process for the remaining characters. Copy the next image prompt. Paste it into Google Flow. Click Generate. Rename the character. And continue until every character in your story has been created. To save time, I'll go ahead and generate the remaining characters using the same process. And there we go. All of our characters are now ready. This is where everything starts getting really exciting. Because in the next step, we're finally going to animate them and turn these still images into a fully animated 2D cartoon movie. Now it's time for the fun part, bringing our characters to life. Go back to ChatGPT and open the video prompts we generated earlier. Remember, we generated the video prompts before creating our character images. Now copy the prompt for the first scene and head back to Google Flow. Paste the prompt into the prompt box. Before you generate the video, there's one very important thing you need to do. Anywhere you see a character's name in the prompt, type the @ symbol right before the name. The moment you type @ Google Flow will display all the characters you've already created. Simply select the correct character. In my first scene, only Elias appears, so I'll select only Elias. This step is extremely important because it tells Google Flow exactly which character should appear in the scene. It also helps maintain character consistency throughout the entire movie, so the right character speaks at the right time with the correct appearance. Once you've selected your character, click on the video option. Now choose the Omni Flash model. This is Google's newest video generation model, and it's the one I'll be using throughout this tutorial. Next, select your video duration. Since the dialogue in my first scene is quite short, I'll choose 6 seconds. If your dialogue is longer, you can increase the duration to 8 or 10 seconds. Just make sure the video is long enough for the dialogue to play naturally. Once everything looks good, click Generate. Now give Google Flow a few moments to create your scene. And there it is. Our first animated scene is ready. Let's play it.
Who left this rice sack here? How can it be completely full? Who left this rice sack here? How can it be completely full?
Wow, that looks really good. The character animation is smooth, the facial expressions look natural, and the dialogue matches the scene perfectly. I'm really impressed with this result. Go ahead and download the clip in the highest quality available. Now let's move on to the second scene. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the prompt for scene 2. Return to Google Flow and paste it into the prompt box. This time you'll notice something different. Instead of one character, this scene includes 3 different characters. So once again, anywhere you see a character's name, type the @ symbol and select the matching character from your library. For this scene, I'll select Elias, Mariam, and Lena. If your scene contains more characters, simply repeat the same process until every character mentioned in the prompt has been added. Another option is to click the Add button and manually upload the character images if needed. Either method works perfectly. Once you've finished assigning the characters, choose your video duration. Since this scene contains a little more dialogue, I'll increase it to 10 seconds. Everything else stays exactly the same. After a short wait, your second scene will be ready. Let's play it.
Maybe someone wanted to help us.
Impossible. The rice came back.
This looks amazing. The characters remain consistent, the dialogue feels natural, and everyone speaks exactly when they're supposed to. This is one of my favorite features in Omni Flash, because it solves one of the biggest problems creators used to face with AI animation. Now all you have to do is repeat this same process for every remaining scene in your story. Copy the next prompt from ChatGPT. Paste it into Google Flow. Assign the correct characters. Choose the video duration, and click Generate. That's exactly how I created every clip in this animation. As you can see, all of my scenes are now complete. The next step is very simple. Download every video clip to your computer. Once you've downloaded all the clips, it's time to combine everything into one complete movie. For editing, I'll be using CapCut. Of course, you can use any video editor you prefer, but CapCut makes the process quick and beginner-friendly. Open CapCut and create a new project. Import all the video clips you downloaded from Google Flow. Drag them onto the timeline in the correct order, starting with scene 1 and continuing until the final scene. Since Google Flow has already generated the dialogue and animation for us, there isn't much editing to do here. Simply place each clip one after another. If you'd like, you can add a simple transition between each scene to make the animation flow more smoothly. Don't overdo the transitions. Sometimes a clean cut or a simple fade looks much more professional than using flashy effects. Once you're happy with the sequence, preview the entire video from beginning to end. Check that every scene plays correctly and that the story flows naturally. If everything looks good, export your video in the highest quality available. And just like that, your complete 2D animated movie is finished. From a simple story idea, to consistent characters, to animated scenes, and finally, a complete movie ready for YouTube. The amazing part is that you did all of this without needing a professional animation team or expensive software. If you found this tutorial helpful and learned something new today, Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who wants to create AI animations. Also, let me know in the comments what type of animation you'd like me to cover next. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.
Who left this rice sack here? How can it be completely full?
Maybe someone wanted to help us.
Impossible. The rice came back.
Elias, make sure you share this rice with others before sunset. Never reveal its secret to anyone, and as long as you keep that promise, you will never run out of rice.
Who are you?
Elias has saved so many families.
Something isn't right.
Stop giving it away. Sell the rice and become rich.
Maybe you're right.
Please, my sister is hungry. Daddy, why didn't we help them?
No!
Your miracle is over.
I should have listened to my heart.
You helped us first.
Now we're helping you.
Thank you, all of you.